I came to the U.S. through the Afghan Study Program in 2017 because I worked with the U.S. government.
Right. You were an interpreter? You were an interpreter?
I was an interpreter.
Yes.
Before I was an interpreter, and then I became an engineer with the Army Corps of Engineers through the contractors side, not with them, but through the contractors side, like through the GC side.
Right.
But I came to the U.S. Last year. I applied for my citizenship, and I had my interview in September and for naturalization, but they didn't give me a response. I forgot to ask what the issue was from the immigration officer. She didn't tell me nothing, and she said the system says to just wait.
I can guess what the issue is. I can guess the issue is the country where you came from, Afghanistan. They stereotype everybody because once you become a citizen, it's impossible to take it back. And because you come from an area where there could be enemies of the United States of America, they have to double, triple, and quadruple check that you are somebody who wants to be a citizen of the United States and not somebody in enemy clothing, for example. So they do a lot more background check on you than they would necessarily do on a Canadian, for example. You have choices. You can wait to see what happens, or if you have gone for an interview for citizenship, for your naturalization, and it's more than 120 days and there's no decision, you can do what's called a de novo review. What a de novo review is, you can sue the U.S. government to bring your case before a federal judge and let a federal judge decide. They have to make a decision within 120 days. That's what the law says. And if they don't make a decision within 120 days, they violate everybody's rights. And if they don't make a decision within 120 days, you have a right to have a federal judge decide. So you can do that. You can threaten to do that, or you can wait for them to continue to violate your rights for God knows how long. Personally, I would probably threaten that now, threaten a mandamus, which is a judge to force the federal government to make a decision, or threaten a de novo review, which is the federal judge will make a decision on your citizenship case. But at some point, you're probably going to need a judge to get involved. You may say to yourself, well, it's only 6 months. I'll wait a few more months, and that's your prerogative. That's fine, too. You have the right to wait as long as you want, but you have also the right to do this when you want now.
All right. Thank you so much.
All right,
Thank you.